Welcome to my channel. My name is William. Uh, Today I will try to clean the headlight of the truck of my brother-in-law. It's holiday today, Monday. We don't have work in the construction, so I will make a video on how to clean the headlight of the truck of my brother-in-law. This is the headlight. I don't know how many years this headlight you know um, he did not clean it, but this truck I think it's about 10-11 years old. There, so I will try to clean this and show it to you how to clean it. I will just use I just clean it manually because not everybody has tools to clean it, but you can use a bopper to clean this one. I have a bopper, but I will not use it. I will just use manually. You can use also attach a bopper on a drill. This one is stuck, so I will open it, and there. Okay, I just bop it. I bop it manually like that. There, just just bop it like that. But if you have a bopper or attachment to the drill, it will be more quicker to do it. But just manually like that, you see, it's a big difference already. This is a company car that he used for his work. They they gave it to him as a service. He is a termite inspector. One more. And then just wipe it with microfiber cloth. You see the difference? I just did it like for maybe 2 minutes. There. And look at the other one. See the difference? But if you have a bopper, it will be more clearer than this one. And we will work on the other one. See, it's a big difference. Even you just use manually like that, you rub it like that, you know. Then wipe it with the microfiber. There, it's much better than before. Yeah. And then after that I will use this jet seal. Nakukuha ka sa ano, Jim? Ay, nakukuha pa ako. Okay, there, and then just wait 20 minutes, then wipe it with microfiber. I'm using a Chemical Guy there, a Chemical Guy, and it's this is a compound, optical grade hybrid compound, the V34. There, it's optical grade hybrid compound. It's V34, and I'm using also a Chemical Guy jet seal. This will last for 1 year. I use this on my car clear finish, and every year I apply this on my car. There. Chemical Guy company, Chemical Guy's company is not paying me for this one. I'm just, I'm just using that because for me that works better. And look at my truck. Every year this truck is older than that one. This is 14 years old truck, and that is 10 years old. Look, because I maintain the headlight, there is no visible crack on this one. I'm using that Chemical Guy as the one I'm using on this one, that rubbing compound. See, and that truck, that headlight, it has already cracked because the they don't maintain it properly. As you can see, there is a crack there. Okay, so while waiting for that jet seal to dry, I will clean mine also. I do this every year on all my cars headlight. As you can see, if you maintain it regularly, in my case, I do it every year. Look, if you maintain it regularly, it's easy to do it. See, and it won't crack. I will apply also the jet seal. If you maintain your car regularly, it will last longer than if you're not maintaining it. Look at this. Look at the difference of the these two tracks. That one is 4 years younger than this one. Because they don't maintain it properly, and that's what happened. You see the difference of my headlight. Every year I do that on my car headlight. I do it to all our cars, my son, my daughter's car. I do that. See, it looks almost brand new. And you don't see any visible what you call crack. Okay, comparing to this to this headlight. This is truck is 4 years younger than my truck, but that's what happen if you don't maintain your headlight. They are just plastic, so if you don't maintain them, they will crack eventually. Okay, it's about 20 minutes, so I clean this with microfiber. You see the difference there before? You see? So that's the way you clean your headlight. Okay, that's all for now. Please click and subscribe on my channel, and also watch those video from my construction project. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.